Hello everybody, this is George Lopez here in Alice Outlet Tech, and for today's tech tip I wanted to go ahead and show you something that is built into your Macs. So I think this can become this can come in handy in your classroom when you're trying to get your students' attention on a particular part of something you're displaying on screen, or perhaps you want to zoom something so it can be seen better. So first of all, to start, let me show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So here there's some writing that you can see out here. It's kind of small, but if I wanted my students to see it and it's being displayed on the projector, I can go ahead and I can go ahead and actually zoom right in. So here we go. So see that? You can go ahead and click on that. Perhaps you want to go ahead and show them something over here on the screen over here. So I move my arrow there and I can zoom on that. So again, this is a feature that is really built into a Mac, and you can use it when you want to display something bigger. So in order to do that, you will need to go ahead and go up here to the corner on the left-hand corner, click on the apple, go into System Preferences. Once you get into System Preferences, you will need to go ahead and find the accessibility options right here. Here they are in blue. So when you click that, it'll open up a whole bunch of other options here. And the one that we're looking for is zoom. See this right here? So I'm going to go ahead and click zoom. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that your settings look like mine. Okay. So again, here you want to make sure all these boxes are checked off. You want to, this tells you that if you hold down the control button, that is the trigger button that allows you to zoom in and out. You also have an option here if you want to zoom in the full screen or just a smaller portion of the screen. I like zooming in the whole screen, so I like leaving it like that. But again, this is what it looks like. And again, what you see me doing right now, zooming in and out, is what it will allow you to do. So one thing that you need to keep in mind here is that wherever your arrow is pointed, so notice where my arrow's at, wherever my arrow is pointing, that's where it will zoom in. So if I want to zoom into this piece of text, I'm going to go ahead and close these options now. So if I want to zoom into this particular piece of the text here, I can go ahead and put it in the middle and then hold down the control button and scroll up and down to zoom in and out. So notice going in and out. So wherever my arrow is, so you want to take a look up here, all my little icons on here. So I'm going to go ahead and move my arrow there. There it is. You see it? I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, and notice that you can actually zoom in pretty far there. You know, it gets distorted a little, but it is a pretty cool accessibility feature that can definitely draw your students' attention to a particular part of the screen. All right, I hope you enjoyed this screencast and that it will be useful in your classroom. If you have any other questions, you know where to find me. Thank you, and you have a great day.